Alright, this is Mama's big 4-0 birthday.
Happy birthday to a great mother, friend, and wife. Picture of my kids on there. Love it. It's not what you wanted. We started tossing.
Will your birthday cake in there, Mama?
Bless you.
Come on, Grandpa. It's Mama's birthday present. Nothing.
It's a pretty card.
It is a good card. I love it.
Well, let me see the card. Oh, look at that.
It's a picture I took of them. We was playing with a turtle out in the yard when I took that picture.
Cheese.
Say hi to the camera.
We've got a lot of tape on here this year.
Hi.
Yeah, people who can't wrap gifts have to use a lot of tape. Just be glad there's not duct tape on there because I wrapped that myself.
Mommy. Mama, what's in it?
I'll have to say this bow.
I did that bow myself
I
too.
know you did. I have to make a comment about your bow. I love your bow. Put it on and make it look beautiful like that.
Pretty.
Pretty.
Is that me?
Alright, yeah, you look like a hippie.
You like a hippie.
Son, huh? Had to see me cry on screen. Is that what it
Mama,
is?
Yes.
what's in it?
Hold on, just a minute. I'm breaking.
I figure you cry about randomly 3 or 4 times during the week anyway. Might as well make it a special occasion.
Me randomly cry. I can't believe you
Mama,
said that.
look.
Isn't that pretty?
Oh, yeah.
Happy birthday, sweetie.